List of top 5 best gaming laptops part 6. Links of all laptops in the description. Laptop number 1, MSI Raider GE77HX, a beautiful laptop with Intel's i9-12900HX CPU and nvidia's RTX 3080 Ti and 32 gigs of RAM and priced $2,999. Top number 2, Asus ROG Zephyrus S15, a very good option, comes with Intel's i7-10875H and nvidia's RTX 2070 GPU and 16 gigs of RAM and priced at $1,999. Laptop number 3, Acer Predator Triton 500 SC. Asus laptop with Intel's i9-12900H and nvidia's RTX 3080 Ti, GPU and 32 gigs of RAM and priced at $2,499. Laptop number 4, Razer Blade 15. A beautiful Razer's laptop with Intel's 14-core i9 CPU and nvidia's RTX 3080 Ti and 32 gigs of RAM and price $3,807. Laptop number 5, ASUS ROG Strix G15. Asus laptop with AMD Ryzen 7 6800H and nvidia's RTX 3050 Ti GPU and 16 gigs of RAM and priced at $1,243. Subscribe for more tech videos.